spam feature where, especially in the Android app, where it tells you about the scams which other people have posted. So my name is Pankaj Desai. I run a local business here in Belgaum. So every day I receive a lot of calls, almost like 50 to 60 calls. Out of those, most of them used to be spams. I get customer calls, so every time I used to pick up a call hoping that it is my client, it used to be a spam, and used to frustrate me a lot because I used to miss genuine calls sometimes, thinking it's another spam. Truecaller has helped me identify such spams early on so that I can ignore the ones that I don't want to. Another important is there is a spam feature where, especially in the Android app, where it tells you about the scams which other people have posted. So that helps me identify and look for what potential scams can happen with me. So I've installed this app even in my family's phones, like my father and my mother, because they are more prone to have such spammy calls. So installing in their phones have helped us, stop a lot of this fraud calls that we are getting a lot these days. A few months ago, there was a rampant scam going on where a policeman used to call on our phones, sometimes a WhatsApp or sometimes a regular call, and say that they have registered a case against us, that we have to pay a certain amount of money to get ourselves a bail, or our name will be registered in an FIR and there could be an arrest, right? So there used to be such scams, and my family was afraid that okay, how to identify if it's a real policeman or a fake call. But Truecaller has been highlighting such calls. Whenever I get a call, it immediately flashes that it's a fraud or a spam which other people have marked, and it has helped us avoid a lot of such potential scammy calls.